So, this is my attempt at a stone fireplace. These are stones that I picked up from the river, and I've attached to the wall with grout, and I milled that mantel with or from a poplar log. Sorry for the shaky video. First time ever. This side isn't grouted. I've put it on a wooden base that I've bolted to the wall, and it's coming out pretty good, I think. I'm not quite sure how much more. I might do some build outs on the corners in order to give it a little sort of relief. Again, this side isn't grouted. This side is mostly grouted. It's been piped in with a pipe bag and grout. Oop. And we're just doing it because, what the heck? It's been a project that's taken some time, considering that we've had to pick all the rocks by hand, and yeah, we wanted something that was natural, real, you know, that we did ourselves. And there it is. So we might do another video to show you some of the processes for grouting, I guess, since we didn't take any earlier ones, but there it is. Thanks for watching.